Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whatever time is it for you now. How are you doing? Thank God for another day. God is so good to us. Are you okay today? Did you remember to pray? Guys, always remember to pray. Welcome back to my channel this morning. And remember, guys, I do cooking on my channel, laundry on my channel, washing my dishes, and any little thing around the house, guys, I do it. So, welcome back to my channel. And, guys, remember to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Like, share. Okay, guys? And today, guys, I'm going to cook my chicken, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put with it. Okay, guys, I'm not sure what I'm going to cook with it, but I'm going to cook chicken and something. Okay, so here I have my chicken. I already seasoned it. Okay, you can see it. I already seasoned it, but I don't cut it up as it. But I already seasoned it, marinate it before, and this is my seasoning: ginger, all-purpose season, and a little salt. Okay, guys, and I have a little Maggi in this one also. So I put it on. I already put it on it already, but I'm going to cut it and show you how I'm going to do it. And it's chicken with beetroot. Beetroot chicken today. Okay, guys, you can see my beetroot. All right, watch as I go, guys. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put my beetroot on my chicken. So it's beetroot chicken. Okay, guys. Okay, just watch as I go. You can see, guys. This is my chicken. This is my beetroot. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to wash my hands again. I wash already. I'm going to wash again. This is my chicken. I'm going to cut. I season it with the skin on it. And I'm just showing you. Just take off the skin. Just a little piece of chicken here, guys. But I already seasoned. But I did not take off the skin. I'm going to cut it small, like when I'm brown stewing my chicken. Okay, you can see, guys. Guys, you have to marinate your chicken before. So that's what I did. But I'm just showing you how I cut it. You can see, guys. I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning on it. Okay? I'm going to wash my hands. A little bit more ginger. I put some already. I'm putting a little bit more. Just for it to marinate before the night before or so. And a little bit more of all-purpose and Maggi. I put salt already, no more salt. Okay, guys? And this is how I do it. So it's all seasoned from before, but I'm just showing you how I season my chicken. Okay, guys? And this is my beetroot, already washed and everything. So I'm going to put a piece. It doesn't need a lot. See, guys? If you want, you can boil it before. See? See, guys? So you don't need a lot. Beetroot chicken. Okay, guys? And you can take this out. Also, you can cook it in your chicken. Okay? So watch as I go, guys. Beetroot. See, guys? Beetroot chicken. No coloring, just beetroot. And this is my beetroot, guys. And you can juice it and throw the water in. Okay, guys, see I have some water here. See? And see, guys? Okay, let me wash my hand. So my pot is all here. You can see my pot, guys. You can see my pot. Okay, let me use this side here. You can see it now, guys. This is my pot is all here. Okay. Let me get another big spoon. Oh, I have my spoon here. Guys, I'm going to tip a little bit of oil, just a little bit, in my chicken. Just to grease the bottom of the pot. Okay, guys? You see? My pot is all. Yes, guys. Welcome back. Okay, guys? My pot is all out. Okay? You see? You see, guys? Okay? You see, guys? Beetroot chicken. You see? You can try that home. Because there is not much oil in it, it's going to stick in the bottom. So I'm going to tip a little water in it. And see? Beetroot chicken. Okay, guys? And guys, remember to put ginger. Always put ginger in your chicken. Okay? See? The color is changing, but if it's changing, you can put more beetroot in it. And you can put your coconut milk. I'm going to put coconut milk in it later. Watch it as I go. Okay, guys? You see? And after this, I'm going to put in my natural seasoning. Okay, guys. Watch as I go, guys. And remember to trust the Lord in all things that you are doing. Pray over your food at all times and ask the Lord to bless it. Okay, guys? And remember to pray over your family also. All right? Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to eat my beetroot chicken. Okay, guys? Yes, guys. This is my beetroot dumpling. Can you see it? Can you see it, guys? Get in there. And this is my beetroot. You can see my beetroot here? Okay, guys. You see it? And you can slice your beetroot. If the color is not as what you want it, put more beetroot in it. You see it? You see, guys? And I'm going to tip a little coconut milk in it. You see? All right, guys? And I have my natural season here after I put them in and my tomato. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. Yes, guys, I changed my mind. I'm going to put carrot with it also. Okay, guys? I washed already and scraped. So I'm going to put some carrot in my beetroot dumpling. Okay, guys? So here it is. I'm going to cut it smaller and put it in it. You cut it in whatever size or shape you want. Okay? Put some carrots in it also. So it's beetroot and carrot chicken. So it's not only juice alone it can make. You can put in your chicken. You can see, guys. You see, guys. I'm going to wash again. I washed already, but I'm going to wash again. So here it is, guys. You can see it. It's getting this color. See, guys? It's getting its color. Look at it. You know, the beetroot color will change after a while, right? But this is my beetroot. Carrot. Okay, guys, you can see? Okay, you can see, guys? Okay, just watch as I go. And thanks for watching again. Thank you very much. Okay, guys? You can see? It's cooking, and I'm going to tip a little bit of coconut milk in it. Okay, guys? Watch as I go, and remember to tune in to my channel. Subscribe, man, to my channel. Make a comment. Tell me how you do it in yours. If you have you ever tried this one before? You can try it. Okay, guys? All right. It just tastes the same. All right. Thank you for watching. Come on. Yes, guys. Welcome back. You can see my chicken here. Beetroot, carrot, chicken. Okay, guys, you see it's getting its color. And I have some coconut milk here. I'm going to tip a little in it. You can see, guys. Okay, guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. Can you see it? Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing my channel. And you can try this at home. Okay? So it's beetroot, carrot, chicken with coconut milk. Okay, guys? Watch as I go. Yes, guys. Welcome back. This is my chicken. Okay? And that's it. I'm going to put my seasoning in now. Okay, guys? Watch up. I will already wash. And this is my onion. The onion is so big, so I have to cut it very small. You see, guys? And I have my tomato here. You see my season? I'm going to check if I have any hot pepper. That's okay. I have no hot peppers, but that's okay, guys. My hot peppers is finished. And you see, this is my season. This is my scallion. My tomato, guys. You see? See? This is my finished product now. This is my finished product. And guys, you can juice your beetroot like this. You can juice your beetroot like this, or you can cut up your beetroot and put it in there just like that. Okay? And you can rub, after you cut the beetroot, you can just rub it on the chicken. Or as you go, sometimes the color changes. So you have to put more beetroot in it. And then put the water, or you cut it and put it in it. So try it out at home. So it's beetroot, carrot, a little coconut milk. Okay? Chicken. All right, guys, and you season to your taste. Okay, thanks for watching. You can see, guys, it's all cooked now. Okay, it's all cooked, so you can try it at home. And for you to have a rich color, you have to put some more in it. Okay, guys, you see, and you turn them to let them get the nice rich color. Okay, so this is my finished product. Okay, beetroot, carrot, coconut milk, just a little, chicken. Well seasoned to the taste. Season all to the bone. And guys, remember to marinate your chicken. Okay, guys? Okay, thanks for watching. And this is my finished product. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. All right, guys? That's it for today. Love you guys. Take care. Remember to put God first in everything. Everything you're doing, put God first. Okay, guys? And it's finished now. Okay? It's finished. Okay, you can look at the color. It's beautiful. You can try it at home. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time on my channel. Thanks for viewing my channel. Love you guys.